Let's talk about that one sad phrase that most of us will be using again and again. That's right, a goodbye. Today, I will be discussing some of the most interesting ways how you can say this goodbye. It need not always be a sad one, but it can also be a simple, happy one. Let's start learning. Alright, so goodbyes can really be very complicated. There are many different ways of actually saying it. There are informal ways to say goodbye, there are formal ways, and also some casual ways of saying it. Today, I will be discussing all these different ways, and you can try them out in your conversation. Okay, so let's start with the informal ways to say a goodbye. The first and most commonly used one is bye. B-Y-E, bye. You take out that good and then you just put a bye. Like I said, this is very standard. It's short, it's simple, and you can say it to absolutely anyone. It's very appropriate for friends, family, or sometimes even your work colleagues. So anything is possible in this. The key here is, however, to say the word as clearly as possible. Use emotions and make sure that you've got a good tone. Try not to say it this way, bye. When you say that, it clearly means that you just want to get rid of that person or you're happy to get rid of that person. But when you say something like bye or bye, it gives more emotion into it. So try to vary your tone. The next one that you can use is an addition to the previous one, which is bye-bye. Now, you will think, what is the difference between a bye and a bye-bye? Well, when you use this word that is a bye-bye, it is more of a sweet and a babyish kind of an expression that is usually used for speaking to children. However, there is nothing wrong if one adult uses it with another adult. However, I would strongly advise, please don't use this in a formal setting, that is with a business partner or with a colleague. The third thing that you can say is see you later, or see you, or later. Any of these three terms can be used. All three actually mean the same thing, and they are appropriate for anyone, from your co-workers to your friends. Anything can be used. Now, the shorter you make this expression, the more informal it gets. So like I told you, the first one is kind of formal, then the second one, that see you, gets a little less formal, and the last one, later, becomes the most informal. So you can use it accordingly. The fourth one that you can use is I've got to get going, or I must be going. Both these phrases mean the same thing. They are both good expressions to use when you are ready to, say, leave a party, for instance. Now, it would be usually rude to suddenly just say bye in the middle of maybe a conversation or a party. So when you put in a word like I've got to get going or I must get going, that gives that person some time to prepare for your leave. Okay, so you can say something like, let me give an example sentence. You can say, I've got to get going. I have to wake up early tomorrow morning. Or I've got to get going as I have to prepare for a presentation. You can use any of those expressions. The fifth expression that you can use is take it easy. Now, take it easy is an expression that is more in the casual setting, and it's a good way of saying have a nice day. Say suppose you know someone who is working very hard and they're a big workaholic. When you are leaving the place or when you're leaving that person, you can just say, take it easy. It's a good way of saying you're saying a goodbye, but you are also telling that person to take time to relax. Next, let's move on to some formal ways, or how you can say a goodbye in a business environment. The first expression that I have for you is have a nice day, or have a good whatever. Okay, so now these are pleasant and polite ways to say goodbye to someone you don't know that very well, okay, especially in your office. So when you are leaving, when you've just had a conversation with someone and you're leaving, you can just say, all right, have a nice day. Or if you know that it's a Friday and you're getting ready for the weekend, you can say, have a good weekend. Anything is possible. Or even if they're going for a vacation, you can say, have a good vacation. Anything is fine. So remember, have a nice day and then have a good whatever you want to say. The seventh one is, I look forward to our next meeting. Okay, so this is a very formal expression that can be used very much in a business environment. It's just giving an indication that you want to continue doing business with that person. Okay, it just means it's a goodbye for now, but I will be getting in touch with you in some time. So I repeat, I look forward to our next meeting. Before we jump into the next expression, hey, if you are getting some value out of this video, please make sure to hit that like button and let us know. The next expression that you can use is, it was nice to see you again, or it was nice seeing you. Any of these expressions can be used. Now, when you greet someone, you often say, it's nice to see you. So, for the first time. So when you say goodbye, you can say, it was in the past tense. It was nice to see you again. This is an expression that you can use when you are once again leaving a person. The ninth one, very, very common, and I'm pretty sure most of you must already be using this. And the expression is, take care. Now, take care can be used in professional situations and also in some casual setting. It's warm, it sounds very genuine, and it is usually well taken by others. Now, bear in mind, it's better not to use this expression with someone whom you are seeing every day. You can use it, but it's recommended to use it with some people whom you see maybe once in 2 or 3 days. It'll be better. Okay, so I repeat, it is take care. Now, I've got into some formal languages and some informal languages. Now let's go into some slang languages that you can use very fast with all your friends. And the first one is later, laters, or catch you later. Now this is a very, very casual way of saying see you later. It's very common among the present generation or youngsters these days, and you can use it with all kind of people, but make sure they're your good friends. The next one, this is one of my favorites as well, peace or peace out. Now this is a very casual way of saying a goodbye. It was used long time ago, means in around 2000s, but then after that it's again getting more popular, so you can use it here and there, no problem. The 12th one that you can use is I'm out or I'm out of here. Now this is once again a very casual way of letting people know that you are leaving. But once again, make sure that this is said only between your friends, because sometimes when you say I'm out or I'm out of here, it can sound a bit rude. So once again, please keep it strictly with your friends. The next one that you can use is I got a jet. Okay, or I gotta take off, or I gotta hit the road, or the last one, I gotta head out. Any of these terms can usually be used. These are all slang words for just saying that you are leaving or you are getting out. Okay, if you see, I have not said I got to get off, or I got to jet, or I got to take off. It's I gotta, G-O-T-T-A. That is a slang word. Let's now move on to some bonus phrases which I really like and would love to share it with all of you. The first one is ciao. Now ciao is not English. It's actually Italian and it means a hi or a bye. but mostly it is used for a bye. So you can use it for a bye as well. Okay, ciao. It is written as C-I-A-O, but it's pronounced as ciao. The next one is adios. Yes, once again, this is not English, but it's very much used by a lot of people just to say a goodbye. Brilliant. So with that, my dear friend, we have come to the end of today's session. We would love to have you on our YouTube community, and for that, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we drop a new video. Let me know in the comment section below if you've heard any of these or which was your favorite, or even if you have something new. Whoa, please feel free to drop it in the comments and spread the knowledge. No harm in that at all. If you are looking for any serious practice with regard to any English exams or even spoken English, then all you have to do is log on to our website and check out some of the different packages that we have. If you want to get in touch with me personally, then there is a contact form in the comment section right below, which I have pinned on the comments right on the top. Fill it out and I will personally give you a call back. Feel free to share this video with your friends and also check out some of our other videos that are popping up. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Ciao.